Well, tonight we're here to witness something beautiful, what the Bible calls a mystery. In Genesis we read, "Therefore a man shall leave his father and mother and hold fast to his wife, and they shall become one flesh." What a beautiful picture of what marriage is, what you guys are about to become, two becoming one.
Marriage is about sacrifice, and as the older brother, I am really setting the example today of sacrifice by being here in a suit with far too low of a thread count as the Knicks are about to play their biggest game in over 2 decades. Marriage is also about patience. That's a lesson my wife says I haven't learned yet. In this case, my sister's patience paid off with this guy that we can all agree has an incredible hair and teeth situation.
For anyone that knows Erick, they know he's a charismatic character who's passionate about the things he loves.
My first date at Tommy's.
And if you had a conversation with him recently about saltwater fish tanks or buying gold in today's market, you know exactly what I'm talking about. He had the same passion when he told me about April. I knew it had to be someone special when he started talking about getting married and starting a family one day.
Well, as many of you may or may not know, April is quite a successful kindergarten teacher. In fact, she has won Teacher of the Year at her school. Well, this evening, what I'd like to do is, before they say their vows, I would like to learn 2 lessons from the greatest teacher that ever lived. To have a successful marriage, guys, lesson number 1 is to follow the example of Jesus Christ. It's either my time or about the other.
We are here today to celebrate the marriage of April and Erick, or as April would prefer, the only man I gave a shit about. Thank you so much for coming here and making the decision to witness April and Erick's love and marriage today.
April is everything Erick told me. She's beautiful, she's kind-hearted, has a sense of humor, and she brings out the best in Erick. You can tell in the way that he looks at her that it's true love. It's the same way he looks at his hair in the mirror. That's deep love.
Erick here is an accomplished captain for the fast ferries. His route is from Highlands to Manhattan. And sometimes while he's piloting that boat, he told me he'll face some fog, he'll face a storm, he'll face some wind. Is that true? Okay.
Dressed up a little.
To have a successful marriage, guys, always keep your eyes on Jesus Christ. You're going to face a lot of storms. A lot of things are going to come your way. But just keep your eye on Jesus Christ.
As I tried to figure out what his deal is, one day he tells me that he's a doomsday prepper. He is truly a great guy, though, and I'm happy to have him as a brother and a part of the family now. To my sister, she's the best. Caring, supportive, funny, and always up to even out the wiffle ball teams when we were growing up.
So, Erick, I want to thank you so much for putting the permanent giddiness and smile that has been on my baby cousin's face since she met you. I want to thank you for a secure, safe place protection that you have provided for her. I also want to thank you for making her dreams come true today. The bride, the love, the husband, the wedding, and the family. So thank you so much for making her dreams come true today. And clearly you could see how happy she is. So thank you for all of it.
I, Eric, take thee, April,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
to have and to hold from this day forward,
to have and to hold to this day forward,
for better, for worse,
better or for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer or poor,
in sickness and in health,
sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
I now pronounce you, Eric and April, husband and wife. You may now kiss your bride.
My best friend in the world, I wish you both the best in your new marriage and a lifetime of happiness. And at a minimum, I can rest easy knowing that my sister will be well taken care of in the next apocalypse.
I just wanted to say, I love you more. Thank you for a safe space to talk. All of the late night giggles till our bellies hurt, our faces were red. And I want to take a little trip to Disney. And so our journey has come to an end, but yours continues on. Grab a hold of your dreams and make them come true, for you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, reach out and find your happily ever after.